Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ishola. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make DIY shimmer oil. So let's get right into the video. What you'll need a castor oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, body shimmer. You can pick the pigments you want. I chose bronze and gold for mine. A funnel, storage container, a bowl and spoon to mix. First off, pour in your coconut oil into your mixing bowl. You can add enough. I didn't measure mine. I just poured what I felt to be enough for it. I added castor oil also immediately. Then I popped in 2 capsules of vitamin E oil. Pour in your body shimmer. I added my bronze first. Then I poured in my gold. I didn't measure it, I just added what I felt to be enough for the mixture. After pouring everything you need, then you can mix it very well. When you're done mixing, transfer immediately into a storage container. You're done. Your body shimmer is ready, so you can apply it all over your body when you're going out. You want to take pictures, you just want your skin to glow, you can apply it anytime you feel like. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.